ni Jotend piny Kenya William Ruto omedgi thuolo e piny owacho mare. Gidwaro thuolo e gwelo mag jagoro mongirore kod mago mag jolup jotend migepe ka giwacho ni gichiwo mbulu mathoth mokalo mane osiro telo kata yombo ma Jotend piny William Ruto ka ipimo gi gwenge mamoko. Jotelo go mane oting'o jod bura mag Gatundu North Francis Kigo Njenga e kin mamoko okwayo Jotend piny William Ruto mondo pare jotelo mawuok Gatundu North magiwacho ni kuom kinde malach osebedo oko mar piny owacho.
Tunataka Gatundu North tuwe na mwakilishi wetu katika meza ya kitaifa. And the senior most politician in Gatundu North is none other than Dr. Kigo Njenga.
Tumesema kama wajumbe wa Kiambu, kabla tupewe viti kwetu, Kigo kwanza is our fallen hero, apewe kiti kabla ya mambo ingine. Kwa hivyo tumeshikana pamoja na tunapigana vita ya kuhakikisha amepata mahali katika serikali.
Iko vacancy katika ofisi ya Chief Minister. Na sisi already tumefix Kigo hapo kwa sababu ako experienced katika bunge, katika uongozi wa county, alikuwa pia waziri wa pesa. Si bottom up ni pesa tupu. Si atasaidia Musalia.
He has been awarded a doctorate degree, a doctor of philosophy, and I think this is an achievement, and we should not allow these degrees to just, stay in the house, go to the waste. So we are hoping and very, very expectant that the president is going to consider Kigo Njenga for a position.
President Ruto, ukinipatia kazi yeyote, nitakufanyia kazi with all my strength, with all my knowledge, especially this PhD, to do and make the bottom-up economic model of the hustler nation become a reality.